Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to clarify tonight's homework for Unit 2, Lesson 7, November 17th. So the compare and contrast theme Snowcatcher. When you open it up, it looks a little bit like this. So the first page in the Go Formative is talking about the themes. These are the themes for the myths. Theseus, the Minotaur, Cronus, and Medusa. You're going to pick one myth and you're going to pick one theme. And what you're going to do is something similar to this. This is the theme they chose. This is the myth they chose. And you're going to find one quote that backs up the theme. So for Theseus and the Minotaur, even heroes can make mistakes. This quote talks about Theseus making a mistake. And this quote from Percy Jackson shows Grover making a mistake. So your homework is to either do this Snowcatcher for Cronus, where you will find evidence for those in power will do anything to stay in power. And number 7, you write Cronus because that's the myth you're using. And for number 8, you look for evidence of Cronus doing whatever he can to stay in power. And then for number 9, who in Percy Jackson has done everything they can to stay in power? Show me a quote. A quote has to be evidence directly from the book. So this right here, they took it directly from the book and they put quotation marks. That is what you're going to do. Or if you don't want to do Cronus because you don't like that story, you can choose your own theme and your own myth. So then you would only do this section. Or if you want to do Medusa, you can do Medusa right here. So you're only doing one section. Either you're doing 17 and 18, you're doing 13 and 14, or you are doing 8 and 9. It is up to you, but you do need to have a direct quote. This right here is text from Percy Jackson. It has a lot of evidence for a lot of these themes. So you could read this. It's only 2.5 pages and find evidence. But I hope this helped a little bit. Feel free to message me on Jupiter or through Gmail if you are still confused.